Ever feel like a poem is a secret code you don't have the key for? Novels spell things out, but a poem packs an entire universe of emotion into just a few lines. To get it, you can't just read it, you have to decode it. This process is called close reading. It's like looking at a single drop of water under a microscope. Suddenly, you see a world you never knew was there. Most of us read for the general idea, but close reading forces you to ask, why this word? Think about the line, "The cat sat on the mat." It's neutral, but change one word, "The cat lurked on the mat." Now it's threatening. That single choice changes the entire mood. That's the power we're unlocking. The key is a 5-step framework, the S-Mile method. S is for structure, the poem's skeleton, its stanzas and rhyme scheme. M is for meaning, the surface story versus the deeper message. I is for imagery, the pictures it paints in your mind. L is for language, the specific tools the poet uses. And finally, E is for effect, the most important part. How does it make you feel? Take the phrase, "the wind screamed." The poet is using personification, giving the wind a human action. Why? To make the wind sound violent and angry, creating a mood of pure danger. You always connect the technique to the emotion. The goal isn't just to spot the device, but to explain the feeling it creates. Once you learn this, you start seeing it everywhere. Song lyrics, political speeches, even text messages. It's a superpower. You no longer just see the surface, you see the machinery working underneath. You'll understand not just what was said, but precisely why.